Hi guys, it's Amy from Today Is Our Adventure, and tonight on What's for Dinner we are doing the Chicken Verde Casserole. One other thing of note I wanted to mention, I do tend to use these 8x8 aluminum pans. I'm going to be using 2 of them because this is a recipe that makes enough for 4, but since there are only 2 of us, I will make half of this for tonight and half of this to freeze for later. That's what makes it a travel day recipe.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride.
First, you're going to start with 3 cups of riced cauliflower. That's going to be 2 10-ounce bags, and these can be steamed directly in the bag. Then 1 can of diced jalapeno peppers. You can drain the juices. I do, unless your family likes spicier, then you can leave the juices in. Then we move on to 1 pound of diced chicken. This is cooked chicken. I used rotisserie just to make it easier on myself. And you'll notice this is a 2-pound bag, but I'm just going to save half for another recipe later. Then we move on to 1 cup of salsa verde, 1 can black beans. These will be rinsed and drained. 1 cup of Fiesta blend shredded cheese, half a cup of diced onions. These could be fresh or frozen. 1½ teaspoon minced garlic. Half teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. And then cilantro as desired. I realize this can be polarizing for different family members, so if your family does not like it, you can leave it out. Or if some of them like it and some don't, you can chop this up and leave it as a garnish for later. Let's dive in. So since I'm making half of this for tonight and half for a travel day, I've got 2 different bags. I'm going to put 1 bag in the microwave and steam that for 4 minutes. The other bag I'm going to put in frozen. I'm not going to steam it because it'll cook while it's in the oven. see me add in the cheese or the cauliflower yet. That's because depending on whether or not I'm mixing this tonight or for another night, I'll cut this in half. I will add cooked cauliflower rice to the one I'm cooking tonight and cheese. For the stuff that I'm freezing, I'll add in frozen cauliflower, and I'll hold off on adding the cheese until I'm going to cook it. Okay guys, we're fast forwarding, now it's travel day, and here's where the magic really happens, so pay attention. I pop my casserole, my chicken verde, out of the freezer and into the fridge so it can thaw while we're traveling. Then once we show up at our site, I pop this into the air fryer on 325 for about 45 to 50 minutes. But bonus, I don't have to do anything else. No dishes. No cooking, no cleaning, it's just ready to go. So by the time we're done setting up camp, our dinner is ready to serve. And here it is, the chicken salsa verde, finished. If your family finds it too spicy, you can always add a little dollop of sour cream to the top once you're done. Chicken salsa verde. For this travel day, it's what's for dinner. Thanks for joining. Bye for now.